What's up, guys? We got a new series for you. We're gonna be calling it Breath Wars. You know what that means? You probably don't know what it means because this is the first video of it. We are going to be doing different physical activities with our masks. We're gonna have some competitions. First off, there's gonna be a head-to-head between me, Cody, CEO, and
Matt, customer service lead in IT.
How this competition is gonna go is we're gonna each get to choose a mask. We can't choose the same mask. That's gonna be a rule. And then we got 60 seconds. We have two 35-pound dumbbells, and we're gonna see how many we can do in 60 seconds. Whoever wins.
No.
Whoever wins, the other guy has to slap.
Yeah.
No, okay, we don't want to do that. So yeah, does that sound fun to you guys? It sounds kind of fun to us. Well, Matt, honors. You can choose your mask first.
I'll just go with my favorite. Don't know why. Ever since, I came here basically when it first came out, and I still love this thing versus everything else. Don't know why. It just appeals to me.
You're going with the MB-100. Now, challenging sets. I'm gonna go with the new welding respirator. So I won't be able to see what I'm lifting, but hopefully I'll be able to breathe. So, you want to go first? Or you want me to go first?
You can go first.
Let's get after it. Somebody close my head. 60 seconds, huh? Oh, fuck. All right, hold on. 2, 3. Come on. Oh, this is fucking yay. You gotta beat 22. 2, 3, 17, 18. Yeah, I win. All right, good competition there, Matt. That was our first edition of Breath Wars. So what did our counts finish at here? How many did you do?
I was at like 17 or 18.
Okay. What was I at, Robert? I was at 22.
Oh, this guy?
That was fun.
I'll say one thing though, I'm very proud of myself because I'm fat and I'm surprised I did all that. But
Yeah, he didn't break our table.
Yeah.
That's a win.
Who did it better, me or the table?
That's right. So, you guys got any ideas on next Breath Wars that we should do? And should we bring in other people? How do we make it a little more even, more of a match? Do we handicap it somehow? I don't even know. That's a golf term. But let us know what you got. If there's anything you guys want to see us try to do with our masks on.
Play disc golf.
All right, guys, comment down below what we should do next in Breath Wars.